So, just so you know, chairs are not for sitting. Chairs are for fixing. They're for banging and they're for sawing.
Mama, why this? Whoa!
Oh, here, I'll give it to you. Oh, juice break. Food break? You gonna eat some of your broccoli? Yep, he really likes broccoli. As long as it's cooked good enough and nice and soft. Okay, we're just gonna keep fixing. Love you all.